Hello and welcome to Impact TV. मैं इंग्लिश BEG Talk ni Business Excellence Group na promote toba masung initiate toba Manipur gi karbar gi lamda khongdar ba naha amasung ahan successful amasung startups mayam punamak akoi unaduna Manipur gi karbar se karamba maikei de pugadage habi wakalon khanana ba aduma program amane ngasigi ahum suba episode asida akoina unazari base first generation entrepreneur amani Goa Medical College da MD tawra matungda sarkar gi thabak tanabagi mahutta lanai gi oiba diagnostic center amasung healthcare sector da changaktuna masagi phida ama yengliba adumba naha amani. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a warm welcome to Dr. Vivekananda Asangbam.
Thank you.
Right?
Yes.
Welcome to the show.
Yeah, thank you.
Dr. Vivekananda, you are MD of 3 groups.
Okay.
Maniko. Ahanbada khoigi Padma Diagnostic ma'am tare TV adagi khabar advertisement jo dum ui Padma Diagnostic habam leire adagi Padma khoigi Vivo Healthcare habam leire aduga Padma Medicare habam ne ahum si akhoi isaji medical akhoi certified kanoni microbiologist amane mayamna akhoi paisa changna doctor gumba tamnaraba matungda mayamna usually akhoi yengi bese akhoi sarkar gi da thabak achobom phanghuna bhona basine karigino akhoi doctor na isagi wena smaina hongtokke na khalli se particularly when karogi Vivekananda gi imungda akhoi hana akhoi karbar torokpa natraga sigumba business venture sungtong tokpa mi amta yaudana somda tare se kari wakhalom de lakpano
ai hamba maktada akhoi business excellence group back ki platform ama share tawdana ngasi mayam ge mangda somaina agi award khara thamba phangbagi agi am nungai ba phongdok chari aduga hoji hangbiba question je like I will like to introduce myself as an accidental entrepreneur.
Okay.
Mase aina dictionary da yeng madu do masigi definition je yaar me and it perfectly fits me.
Okay.
After
accidental entrepreneur
accidental entrepreneur. But I never look back after that.
Changura matung da han to ko bakan dikhandre. Okay, accidental entrepreneur. Let's hear. Karino accident thokre do.
Like so na jo adam highway gre after doing all this course the Manipur ki society ki background so my agi parents ki background so like ichanu pa je doctor tamu wal warga di adum government job aje dum mayam gi dream ne parents ki su adi tawri ba agi so but agi fat haigadra like aina hek chang matam that there was no vacancy either in the medical college RIMS and in the government sector also adugi matam da thabak ko timing ji oi oidaba.
Okay.
MD loi shalore mayam na di yum da ju adom MD loi ba doctor ma la e hai bagi asai chawthok ningai di oirga aingon thabak di lerandre sumaina sum tawbadagi like what are the options aina sum Manipur gi market se sum survey taw kanda there was a lot of scope where you can give service doctor nazu darkar taba pot patient nazu darkar taba pot marak ki service sector hai tare khoina. For example, aina Padma Medicare Hogjari say like Padma Medicare is a venture where we are doing all aggregating all required medical equipments ngasagi doctor nazu darkar taba market di ek phangdaba patient nazu madugi portal electraga de mapan chatpagi option nama lakba and then we try to get those things from Delhi or Bombay make it available in the local market.
Okay.
Doctor also is happy.
Adugi market se happy makata dinge da how big is that market hai tare asge Medicare khogi instrumental si ma'am se kyam chawbo market no Manipur
it's a big market aina ahamba 2003 da Padma Medicare hogdok kanda like one thing happened after the other thing adugi matam da aigi orthopedic koi bone specialist hai da orthopedician doctor singi am chawbo problems they didn't have the implants akogi saru tek buda samnaba akogi screws and implants me amje se Manipur gi market readily available oidaba adu oidaba gi ngasai gi difficulty to le ponina doctor jina operation to ngamaga jo asa poto leitrabnina patient je ma panda refer to bagi option ga lerakwa aduda aina adugi poto manipur available oile patient jo mapan chat pe option do laitre doctor jo mana ngasai gi tawning ba operation do successfully implement to bangam
jara basically koi patient gi ju paisa ju save to bire aduga koi gi sometime koi hai tare ko time factor se mapan da puthok pusin to wai time factor da gi human resource mam chang bodu sigi intervention jina padma ujiki nangi sigi sector sida piri ba service apart from implants atopa achuba koi gi hospital machineries ne kari kari yauri to
like adumaina tor ga ije ahamada am slowly implants dagi hore implants se patient jina leiba lai ngon dagi khara lai ga patient je amo ngon da hanjale chaishu yaubra crutch yaubra mo hangale ngoda adai de ngon da poto lam da and then I was forced to search the market again to bring those things adai khara lai ga mo wheelchair yaubra hangale wheelchair amuk thame that way like demand driven it went on and went ultimately even medical center singi like phang da bagi problems jo ngon da la aga nangdi nasa doctor ne akoi we are facing so much difficulty in getting medical books in the Imphal.
So from books to implants. Okay.
So like now it's a medical all-in-one shop.
Okay.
You get stethoscopes, you get wheelchairs, implants, they did nursing books, phange hoji, medical books, anything like market ta hoji se phangda ga de padma da chalo hai bagi BP machine ju phange.
I am lay
So it happened like that, and the only thing in me was like I never said no to anyone. Adom aina hypet search taraga adori phangni I thige give me 2 days, give me 3 days haraga I get doctor colleagues so aina adom satisfied tawna ba dom na jaba.
Okay, but basically training you have been trained as a microbiologist.
Yes.
Okay. Nanu ji high report the pure business enterprise went away.
Yeah, it's enterprise owned.
Tammu badugi award pa malai bedagi diagnostic ma hori.
Adu jo adom feel tawe because some of my like the backbiting hai gadra natraga the comment of hai gadra it somehow it fell on my eyes. Doctor ne na man haraga sida pot me am karma taw lei sikari gino. Ade doctor natra hai bagi. Smai dra pot loi yawe alu ju yo le dana cheng ju yo lo hai dana hai bagi. Even comment I want the Europe. And then on that particular night, like I felt doctor ama oire microbiology is local. If I na lab ama hang dragadi, like then there should be an option for me to open a lab. That was my second challenge.
Yes. Skill do you want to put it in practice.
So that was my second challenge. So
but it's a good time to tell the people. Mayam na phangam daba service ama khak hoi alu yon be hai bi re but don't you feel good hai tare
yeah
nang na mi makhong ti e magi implant tu makhong tek na ada sat pai si yam wa ka tu thabak ni but by providing that available when bado implants when ba adagi hoi whatever adu me am when bado I think people should be grateful.
I also personally felt very satisfied as a doctor. I can feel what my clinician surgeon is feeling. I can feel what the patient relatives are feeling. Ani maki poto ai isaju doctor patient na wari ba adai ai gi colleagues na wari ba ai isaju moini mak na pura satisfied o kan ai jo do satisfied o ba aina pot ama piraga ani mak option ani mak to loina mak successfully pot tuma loi thoki ba do I felt very satisfied.
Okay.
Adugi line do dom chatki badagi ngasai gi hojiki wari do lab se tawdaba yade
yum dagi di hojiki hoi accidental entrepreneur hare adagi thabak mayam kaubal la hoi hor padabu di kayon tawdre ado yum dagi di still sarkar gi thabak tawba haibasima always akoi leidana ko ado hoji entrepreneur gi blood test tawba haigadra aduga kaino si test taw matung dagi di yum dagi su nangon dagi su is there any kai haitare palm once in
this
is better the freedom da thabak tawning ba phangba court pa whatever entrepreneurs in as an entrepreneur nangon da leba freedom of making decision ai tare ko adu mayam du khala ganda kari fawi yum dagi hik gamang gi thabak tawning bra na isa gi sadi tawning dra bra pi resu tawro haidori bra
oxy je aduga am nungai ba some episode mai some leja da parents se dom hojik chu dom marak ta hek son ba dum yaw
okay
aduga ahamba Jennings hobagi timing si sida there was an option for me to go back to Jennings adu kanda ngasai microbiology gi ahamba hobagi assistant professor ko ko myam yaw ai gi colleague myam na ju aingonda adum advice oigadra pressure oigadra nangmo tha hogne adum karbar je manipur adum animak taw ya bani loina adum karbar ju to asi ju paisalo haibagi option na aingonda adum nakong se dam jang aina hai if I have to do I can do only one thing ado hi ani tong bodi nongai dong man de plus ngasai gi Jennings horokpada Jennings ki library gi lyric myam je hanagi honorable CM ibu bina jebok yautri kai gino MCI inspection lakadore toroga aingonda tarak padagi aina airlift toroga porakeba matam do blockade lebagi within 3 days order hek pibuga kalkara gi airlift toroga porakena Jennings ki library gi ahambagi pula medical books more than 1000 titles adu kanda aina phagi tawgi aidi hoje supplier ni supplier na mo oja oi kamai oi doino I am happy remaining to be what I am
yum sai ti yum gi professor asang bom Vivekananda ga do I bet pamam do male
ado hoi but then seeing the progress that I am making in my field although it is purely accidental but now parents have given up their hope.
Okay.
I should be joining a medical college. They are quite satisfied.
Okay. Anyway, accidental entrepreneur ne di hai ko. But given your background hai tare, as I understand hai tare, grandfather hai tare ko. Idau do Manipur ki aphau ba mayam na khangna ba asang bam minikatan na good author mayam ganto bane. Tam academic ko ba family amadagi sana business lak pa sida hogi hoi hana budi thabak leite bui khot ba ni hai bagi family ki din leira su somewhere adum madugi pressure sidi dum si constant oram do man bam di leba oi tabra
hujik makti oiraktre some like now I am approaching my 40s
they are happy with your
now they are happy with me
nangidi
I so now like I am perfectly satisfied with what I am doing because I am helping everyone in some ways I am giving employment to more than 60 people right now
hai mang gitu da hoi government ki job pang dem ni chume ko but government job si atan te dana I mean there are so many hospitals that's open up corporate sector that loi lai adu da join tawraga mapan da oiro Manipur da oiro Manipur da ju acho ba si hospitals lai adagi Babina diagnostic acho ba ma ma taw hoi taw pal hin to pukhali myam si da join to khot pa adu adi
marakta adugi option ju adum lairam da badina te adu as when a monitor tests the man's blood heck ido amuk test tawgragadi like it becomes a monitor throughout it's the same thing in entrepreneurship once that bug bites you like there is no way you can backtrack
so you're truly the first generation entrepreneur right there the bug has bitten chikre ai sidigi thatoro have ba so aziki plan si ahogi hana medicare tawrame then now you shifted to diagnostic because nangi tamba skill do sinamda diagnostic chang pa matam sida already there are giants like Manipur di ka taw we cannot discuss diagnostic without involving taking the name of Babina diagnostic ko state of art tamba Manipur ki market sida karino uri je diagnostic ki market se do is there place for more players entry do matam da hapet chingner phau budrabra
basically ngasagi Imphal market is a very confined 28 lakhs population ki state ni but we are very fortunate to have a pioneer like him actually he is the person responsible for creating a market for each one of us Babina leram dragadi Imphal ki diagnostic market sungai leram because one very good example I want to take is aina ahamba machine nama Bombay da inquire tawkanda aina Manipur da darkar ta have da sorry we don't serve the territory of Manipur we can't send our service engineer high same machine je hoje aina recently ta da Babina install tawgreba ada mogi engineer me am lai re sida ada moi now they are ready to even sell it to us This is just one example. Market it depends on the type of service, the type of specialized service, plus your customer friendly approach. Adum ba mayam duda adum base tawraga market adum layan ka leina agi wakan nade. Plus na ba kay disease adum laidorabni, and it's going to increase only given the pollution level handle urbanization, global warming. Sigi market it will thrive.
The question is market investment to market size justification to labor market Babina is there, Padma is there. Is there a place for another big?
Other players also, yeah. Other players are no doubt there, but they have to find out innovative ways to attract the customer. Like out of the box thinking like kumaina lakna bagi people because it's a confined market.
Lakna bada there are enough market. Everyone will survive. Or are you looking at, say, sometime in future, right? Manipur as a medical tourism. I think Isazu Mandlin probably opportunity. In terms of Manipur as a medical hub, my she's a hospital is also coming up in a big way. See Mayamzi with a vision. Future vision in mind. What is your vision?
Yeah, as a whole, if you take the Southeast Asia as part of our things to come in the future, definitely there will be a big chunk of making a big Sigi sector player plus some innovation, plus you have to search for the market also. Chatna Kotna Ada link up Toba Kotpa, Mandalay, Myanmar. Feeder create Tobatai. Plus, you have to search for new opportunities there, interact with the people. Moigi necessity to Nakarino. A queen of Pido River Service, Moina Pamela service to Amok synchronized of Dragati. A queen of hiding a Loinama Chatney later. So, we have to see the needs of the people. Then only you put your ways to solve it. Adugi principles the chatlagadi. Market survey in simple terms. There has to be always there. Entrepreneur may fail or say emotional or very impulsive. Every one of us. Failure over timing should be out of nothing. A queen of palm market na palm money there is no market na pami poto akoina khangaga aduga chamana product pir kan dena ko successful oidoi akoina pami ne na market na pam da poto piragadi then there are high chance of failure. Sigi principles like upcoming startups mayam natraga adum colleagues haigadra akoin some discussion it has to be put in very high this thing kokta dum si season never fai.
So basically, on constant basis, the market ki mood kamai shift tori, prajana kai demand tori have to thambata have never. Anyway, matang si the break am looks again, but stay with us. We are coming back after the break. Medicare sector si the prajaga koigi sometime koigi patient party ga whether it's diagnostic center वगैरह अंतर्गत healthcare institute वगैरह हे कनो लाखपा si the how as an entrepreneur man madu deal to kote ke do Vivek tagi will try and find out from him. Stay with us. We'll take a short break. Welcome back. You're watching Impact TV. Kanari se akoi Be Easy na initiate oraga promote toba Be Easy Talk hai program duni ngasi akoi gi episode ta lengjendu leisi Dr. Asangbam Vivekananda Singh ni MD of Padma Medicare, Padma Diagnostic, amasung Vivo Healthcare. Welcome back.
Thank you.
Breaking mangda hai hi hai doctor gi akhoi tawribo mayam ji maksida like I said before the break hai tare akhoi hujik lai si sometime प्रजा मैम सिदा अस मणिपुर दा येंग एक्स-रे मणिपुर येंग MRI अदुना some sense अखोय कनोम दि लेनो को स्वागी एरिया सिदा as a new entrant makti haidrasu as a player amoina what are the areas akoina madu improve to ya ba area kari mi
akoina aina jo sum observe to kanda men akoina thingna baje amba asagi miscommunication adaiti the whole यासागे पोट से हेक एक्सप्लेन तब कितने है वाट लंबा गुम्बा वाट के ना वाट बदी ना तबा सोमदा पेशेंट पार्टी ना हेक लोकसन में जो कितने अदुम ना आयाम बा वो ना इना लवे अदा ओवर द टेबल फजना फमगा नत्रगा ना ऑपरेशन तरम दाई ममांगदा यासागे फजना हाई बक सी लोकसन बंगा मगा जो सीगी कम्युनिकेशन जी हेक सॉल्व तोरगा दी मोस्ट ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम विल बी सॉल्व
ओके अदो you know having said that I tare ko mapan gi diagnostic centers में हमको सीगा मणिपुर द लेरी सीगा सीगी येंका जिदा क्वालिटी वाइज येंका जिदा vis-a-vis अखोई केरो है तारे को mapan gi अतो तो कोई चलगा तो में सीगा क्या हम कंपेयर तो भैया अखोई की
हुजिकती ngसागी नेशनल सर्टिफाइंग अदगी क्वालिटी कंट्रोल तो भी आबगी हुजिकी एक्रेडिटेशन ना हुजिकती मैम लेरे अदना almost like we are equally on par with any other lab in any other cities of the country. Lab haigara hospital haigara we dum tabira mani NABH for the hospitals and the NABL for the labs. See they are certifying body to check the quality of the tests or the services provided in the hospital or the labs. See certified to baji pura third party amna tawri ne ba. Nasagi medical insurance ki question lakoda. Now you have to be an NABH certified hospital if you want to develop medical insurance from the companies. Adum मैम ले रहा quality की पोच्ची adum कैशु केना दबरा ना आइना खंजे.
So it's matter of perception and होगी ना उसे कि miscommunication की वाली नहीं बा.
अदुगा ngसागी अखोगी medical graduates अनोबा इंकले बा अंगांग सिंग जो ngसागी कोई ID सवाई MBBS दा skill communication skill ki happen classes natraga some sort of time because the time has come for that sai angang sing si aina sum ubada ngasai gi hek pi ngai da gi mama papa na yomjhallaga coaching tawraga lakai angang tinadaba sum mathang kitang aloof oiba social oiba what some ai observation ne aduna
not necessarily true
advai tawraga ngasai gi expose taw kitang wat panina how to speak to a person
so ichum dam na chai jam phim le
hoy adum bana
communication to bhajan tawdraga disine
adum bana ayamba oibra jo ai jo khalle
okay
I think there should be some special classes in the MBBS curriculum
okay
with the changing times. Akhoi matam debudi oidraga so.
Okay. Ado nano ji head to risi you're not satisfied with Babina Padma Healthcare. Ado matung the diagnostic changjale. Now you entered into Vivo Healthcare.
Yes sir.
Sinagai no.
Vivo
Why
Healthcare.
this? Kaino am multi karo risi kari.
Vivo Healthcare Institute say like we train these students as I class 10 nata class 12 pass to ba angang further career pursue to bazu tallaba duga marakta kari tawdoi ju khangdaba mayam gi akoina hyped courses macha certified course 6 months ki 8 months ki taruga because there is a huge market potential for paramedics asai hospital ama lingat bada it's not just about nurses and doctors you need lab technicians you need ophthalmology assistant, dental assistant, dialysis technician, emergency medicine technician. Moi मैम से quality यावा paramedic मैम थोलक तरगदी. Quality of healthcare as a whole is not going to improve.
Okay.
अदो सिगी पोचिदा ngसागी new government के जो initiative करे ले हुए. They have created a body known as National Skill Development Council. अदुगे मखादम sector मैम ले. Service sector koi ki na healthcare sector council na adugi makhada they have started small courses
adugi part ne
so
you basically tied up with government karoge
aduga manipur gi oina masi amna phibam chaba pot amu oigode ba koi angang sing मैम जी अखोइना सी ट्रेन तौरगा we have placement arrangement with almost all the major hospital chains of India. अखोइ की पास तौबा अंगांग हुजिक मंगा first batch की they are all being given placement by us. And in the near future also like हुजिक Assam da कोई phlebotomist technician or कोई e-ching da technician. There are 900 vacancies in Assam right now. Assam के कांगो कोई एकदम हंगले रे बा नो के छात्र में आदो कन पास तो दो इनो
so already market
layer ba pot ni plus very short duration aduga recently
how short
it depends from 2 months akoi general duty assistant course amale masi jina koina yumda anaba bedridden patient leibada seva tawna bagi tambi ba natraga hospital dana attendant oina bagi yaba skill piba course ne 2 months maximum radiology technician chahi amagi where they are trained to tackle X-rays, MRI, CT scan. Okay. They are phlebotomist and e-ching number. It's just a 4 months course.
So basically, 12 pass to you take this 4 month course, the job like take what have the job
placements plus some recently Manipur Urban Development Agency Muda they have recognized our institute as one of their training partners.
Okay.
Aduna moigi ngasagi
din
Dayal Antyodaya Yojana koi National Urban Livelihood Mission gi makhada koi training and placement gi component am yawe sida moina ngasagi urban area da leiba families with annual income less than 3 lakhs.
Okay. Moi degi recommendation latui ne
moi gi imung dugi adum ba imung dagi tholpa satra singi free training ama akoi gi center sida tawri fees are borne by the Manipur Urban Development Agency.
Okay.
See we have already started classes for around 60 students.
See process na kamain tawi anyone listening any family with 12 pass hoi background kiting cha da ba kamai process kamai tawi
sigi si basically they have to be in a municipal area like the Imphal is OBI West OBI Kumbi OBI
urban ginina
Bisnupur OBI aduga moi je self attested family income certificate ama darkar tai India
self attested
so self certified. Okay,
self certified
self certified
jida video SDO
adu yaudre
daga ta deba isana aigi imungi income ji asukni haidana haraga aina self certified to haibane
adugi certificate to parents tugi aduguma parents tugi machamasu singduna adu poraga be mai class 12 pass to bigi adai hojikti aadhar adi loin changna rega aadhar adu mayam tawga akoida pikhalaga akoina mayam do certified tawga akoina muda office da tharaga moina pot to chumme now you can admit this student for your course haraga aduga akoina class e hobi doiba aduga moi class horani dai moi training tawra matungda placement pira matungda moi course fee se mudana as a training partner akhoida paisa je hana pira kadam nate course fee se hek patient jina patient hajer students jina students jina hek admit to kana 30% khadene koi pira je
okay
satra jen kai mo to khare de akoi je paisa phangoi dene then luarga
so basically satra du recommend toro training toro retain toro ga di nang full course paisa phangdoi ne
mane adi placement amjo
okay placement yaw di paisa phangdabra
placement yaw ga na amu 20% amu moina
okay
kai to so it's a very strict program and
from skilling to employment never sigi circle se complete tokda ga di you get paid
as a training partner but it's very good for the students
so adu gi da hoji phogda Satra kya enroll tore kamai tore
we have already enrolled more than 60 akoi hana ge satra chama mu amaju hojik training satra khara ama hojik Delhi da internship yauri akoi Asia Columbia hospital da moi myam gi paw myam je sum laga akoi du like we feel proud ki we are able to give something socially back asagi it's not just about earning money like asagi family khara akoi na support da na khoida thabak kajare satra khara akoina tambiraga thabak piraga hospital singda thajan gi bai jo like you feel something good about yourself in doing these things.
Okay MD loyer la matung da hogi hoi accidental entrepreneur in a Medicare di hore but all these things that came later sigi was it also all accidental hai tare ko na taga vision nam la ka this is why I want to go have vision nam la to bra taga lakpa du you had a capacity to absorb haigadra adu toraga adu the build up to kibra kamai
accidents it can happen only once first accident throw matung they like you have to be careful how you walk up and down. So many idea comes bombards you every day in your mind. Some are good, some are bad. Like then you focus yourself like aina farmi poche kai no have a poda. Adom lomda hyper isana hyper ama I like how far I have to go ahead. Sa easy chingka bacha laga easy cherau chingal lotion doira. Natraga Mount Everest book ka doira hai bagi poche every entrepreneur has to know himself. Like what are his limitations, like how far he wants to go. Adugi vision duda say I want to be in my state. I want to make my state as beautiful and as prosperous as possible. Adudi ai vision
health care sector sida nangi khutha tui ne
hoy aduga aina khangjaru ai sector du aduda how I can develop myself to develop others also. Adugi aim hai tai.
Okay, one thing led to another. Hojik kanodi yore. Ado hojik lagtui port se hojik India si hogi World Bank ki indices da ease of doing business da ramajang wakat le. Manipur da di as a first generation entrepreneur. How would you say or rate Manipur in terms of ease of doing business? I business I
started from scratch. Scratch in Babana Paisa Kennedy Kakpajane, Sakata Changna. Madugi Pashatuna Hoki Bode. I'm sorry, the Lupalak, Animuki Matam Meva. That Kata Gadishin and quite a big hope like I need to talk I know. Pipi Roy cannot talk again. He was not ready to give that money easily to me.
Okay.
He called all his brothers, Uncle Mayam, a big family meeting. Man, I see my talk. It took me around one month to Tham Changeva.
Why did you veto to
Father said he was very apprehensive.
Okay.
The acquisition pick Nazodum Ulevenina. He was very apprehensive. After that, like loan applications, it's a very big challenge. Manipur day. Luckily, I gave a
loans in bank they exist to support business group. Almost Logan and Chalukan that is have the Nong Tading umbrella period nong tarakan the looking give it.
Igi Matam Pava Hagadrana Traga Tan Chanagi Bahagadrana Sagi last government ki special employment generation program is GP and Ama introduced to give a timing do. Aduda Aja Tavakanda Quigi Doctor Small Clinic is Lupalak Mani Makagi component Ama Aduda Aja Manipur State Cooperative Banki Hanagi good customer winner labor the gate. Banki Kanguna Zoom as I repayment schedule over the Gimoina Hosiki schemes in the post Toraga. I look a lot money Makai Pangi.
Okay. And so basic capital is Mari Makai plus any other
Toraga, our whole given. And then Aduga Hosiki Luonji Pitopa Asia must be one of the first entrepreneur to repay back everything.
Okay.
Kayana Zikta, the Gilon status I'm patent MSCP.
What Pagi?
The mind Torga, Adudagi Torga, how given later on, like repayment schedule to Parapanina, wherever I approach for a higher amount. Luckily, Sagi Wadi Wagide, Atai collecting in Atraga, the entrepreneur winning Bamam Kagova programs, Yangbo or Gadi. I know just hiding is like we have to be very thorough with the repayment schedule. See, default system somehow or the other you just manage. And then accounting plus banki
fund is not a problem.
Fund will not be a problem. Afterwards, banks will be after you. If anyone is watching our program.
Okay. Adagi amana hozila report say entrepreneurs the and particularly at this juncture the way sakan sida akoina discuss to gonna talk payada report say GST ni GST transition jida all across India ai tare ko ma'am wanari has it affected your business in any way?
Right now, like we don't see much. Like we have been very systematic with our accounting and other things. Hana software season adana kotana lairabnina. Akoi dadi adiyamna effective tawdi huji. But I can see the problems me attain face tawm doido. Kayino da hana computerized the hodaba the small outlets hang wokotba adumba mayam duna daklawna onjalakna hona badi dewaram gani. Kayino akoi su matamamda so adamaina kachabil ka ambadagi computerized onjalakpa matamda akoi ju wagi ba. Same thing they must be facing now. Once that is overcome, everything will be systematized.
Okay. What about demonetization?
Demonetization impact like it's a universal this thing. We need not to discuss so much about it.
Okay. We've discussed about your business key enterprise but was it a little bit more personal hai tare ko imong dagi angang waina hogi biganda se schooling kai tore kamai tore aduga hogi angang ngade hangidana an what is your aim in life kana adu ha pada kari ne na haira ka hujina kara yaure was your aim hogi angang ngade thamgi aim du hogi se adugi rom da changke leiba traga myself I angang the pilot when you are money anchoring
anchoring is also part pilot company.
What was your aim when you started as a kid?
I did my schooling class 7 box Manipur Public School gisatro ore Manipur Public School ahama hor pukana adugi matung de scholarship hangaga my Birla Vidya Mandir Nainital class 12 box lore the amok Silchar Medical College MBBS taraga amok MD jina Goa Medical College da microbiology da MD loraga aduga yom halakpane.
Okay. Doctor winning badi adum
Doctor winning basi adum plus minus civil services I was very keen to appear for civil services. I was very good in GK and quizzing adum school adum.
So winning badi civil service ni doctor winner train tawre now you are first generation entrepreneur. Quitting anyway sumro salakpada ai tare ko any new entrepreneurs entering the field koi noi already han manga chakring do mawaina bibegandana koi gi piningba kano hagadra suggestion advice koi gi tips hagadra what does it take to be an entrepreneur in Manipur gi scenario da ita
like Manipur gi scenario it's ngasai akoi gi tama masina ko entrepreneurship barrier to entry koi barrier to entry je akoi gi matamda koina horko matamda very bad law and order situation je in some ways it was a boon in disguise for us if you take it in a positive way sagi law phatta bani order law and order phatti haibagi mapan gi investor lakning da koning da mayam duna it gives an impact to the local entrepreneur to come up any ringa sai mai nungi phatki deba horko matam je
so the demand am di generate tore
demand de
moi laktram ni na madu gi demand du local entrepreneur
adugi market to lairabni na aji anoba gasagi entrepreneurship ki field da changni ba agi colleague natra younger friends me amjida the foremost financial discipline
maintain doba
simadi very much required aduga ai paisa leiti na agi aim fiction badi yaroi your aim is to be as big as what you think when that thing is there money will automatically come but your thoughts have to be correct and big idea akoina oirodaba pot natraga mana oini haiba pot ma dum khandamne adu khalakanda adugi project ki paisa du dum somehow
think big but realistically
realistically and
money will be not a problem
and calculated risks low baje sagi gambling ga entrepreneurship ka khena is gambling is ju risks makanam ne but what differentiates an entrepreneur from a gambler an entrepreneur will only take a calculated risks market survey tawraga market ki darkar tariba pot natraga mangon da laiba capability me amru tawraga mana up to a certain point ma risk to logadabne ba adu khanba ngamdana hekta mana khallina chummanina if he starts putting in the money, then he becomes a gambler.
Okay.
So financial discipline, then always try to take a calculated risk. Dream to the picture with the
okay. So basically, dream big, take calculated risk, and maintain financial discipline. Achoba apaba entrepreneur mok lagi. Thank you Vivek for your time.
Thank you.
It was
Thank
great talking to you. Mayam tabi ke bedu asangbam Vivekananda Singh ni MD of Padma Medicare, Padma Diagnostic, amasung Vivo Healthcare. First generation entrepreneur ni. Busy talk ta mayam na pujarakado isi asigumba entrepreneur mayam amasung makoy na makoy punsi kamay na hori kari aim lay karmay na ngasi akoy punsi je hingi amasung hingbada natana mana tawriba thabak tuna Manipur gi economy, Manipur gi society, Manipur gi laiba film sida kamay na contribute to ge habatuni mayam da pujare bisi ngasi gi di matang ngasi do sinjaba tare. Thank you for watching BG Talk.